Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I decorate a table for two. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so I am starting out with these placemats that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Aren't they beautiful, guys? And they were on sale. They were pretty inexpensive. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. So this week we have no guest. It is freestyle, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Alright, so as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. And normally at the beginning of the video, we introduce the collaboration, which is Tablescape Tuesdays, and the host. And make sure and link them in the description box and run the playlist, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at this table. So we said the placemats did come from Hobby Lobby, but those white chargers came from Hobby Lobby as well. And I am placing these beautiful lavender dishes that I thrifted. I am so happy with them. I was just sad I couldn't find the salad plate, but I did find the bowl. Now just to do something a little bit different, I decided to go ahead and grab this salad plate that I purchased from Home Goods and place that right in the center. I think that I'm loving the way this is looking, so tell me what you think, guys. Okay, so those wine glasses did come from Walmart, and then the water glasses, those were thrifted. Let's see, so those gold napkins, I did thrift those, but the napkin rings, they came from Hobby Lobby. The flatware I purchased a while ago from Aldi, and we are going to finish off this table and head on over to the reveal, guys. So let's move in and take a closer look. I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.